It is playtime for the babies. It's playtime for Beamers and Miss Davidas. Beamer, the three-legged dog that doesn't make his 3 legs stop him. Say, hi, pretty girl. She's got a bark that'll kill you. Beamer, oops, I can't follow them. They like run so fast. They run so fast. You gotta get away from the screen so I can kick it and catch you. There's one. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, good girl. Beamer moves so Miss DeVita can chase it. I can't keep up with her. See, Miss DeVita, she's got a bad back hip. But she's a blue heeler, and trying to get her to stop so she can heal is like trying to stop a freight train with a feather. You ready? Your turn? Woo! Oh, you block it. How am I supposed to kick it when you block it? Maybe if I can feint. Ah, I got it. I gotta pretend like. Your turn? Your turn? Drop it. Drop. Good girl. You ready? Oh, man. All right, drop it. I'll try to kick it good this time. Beamer, you're not helping. You're in the way. It is windy out here. All right, no more. We're all done. I'm getting wet. My water sprinkler's on. Got my garden in. I'll try to remember to do an update on that this weekend. But yeah, and it's windy. I don't know if you can see. There we go. You can see them trees moving. I think wind gusts are like 30 miles an hour. Something like that. Oh, I said I wasn't going to kick it anymore, and there I go kicking it. But that's a beautiful sunny day outside playing with the babies. Playing with the babies. Beamer, you gonna bark? You gonna bark, Beamer? Say no. Time to go in. Time to play, Mama.